In this course, we will explore the mental health impacts of going through a divorce and provide tips on how to cope with the transition in order to maintain your well-being. We'll also discuss ways to save your marriage if that is an option, as well as how best to support your children during this time. So stay tuned for ways to navigate the emotions of divorce while keeping yourself healthy and whole. It's no secret that going through a divorce or even contemplating one can cause immense stress and anxiety in men. Research shows that men are more likely than women to suffer from depression after separating from their partner. This could include feeling lonely, isolated, or overwhelmed. Men may also struggle with feelings of guilt over not being able to keep their family together or find themselves constantly worrying about financial security when they are used to providing financially for their family unit. All these feelings combined can lead men into dark places mentally, so it's important that they take steps towards healing during this time. There are many things people facing divorce should avoid doing while they transition into single life, like drinking heavily or using drugs as coping mechanisms, which only deepen depression symptoms. Instead, there are several proactive measures men can take, such as talking openly about their struggles with friends, seeking professional help before making any major decisions related to finances or custody arrangements, finding activities such as exercise regimes which make them feel good physically and mentally, and starting new hobbies which bring joy back into life after separation. If possible, try not file for divorces without exploring other possibilities first, like counseling sessions alone or with both parties, because although it may seem hard at times, saving marriages is important too. In terms of supporting children during this time period, setting clear rules, boundaries, consistency, and following up on consequences is essential. Acknowledge kids' concerns and offer comfort when dealing with issues regarding parents' breakup. Be honest, but don't badmouth each other in front of them. Try to explain why parents couldn't work out rather than blaming either one. Create a strong support system around children by involving grandparents, close relatives, and trusted friends who will listen patiently and understand what kids feel so they won't feel left alone, instead feeling surrounded by love. Also involve a school counselor therapist if needed for better communication techniques between divorced couples, and parenting classes might also be beneficial sometimes. This video does not provide legal, financial, or tax advice. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as legal advice. If you require legal advice, please contact a qualified attorney, for example, by signing up for a free course on our website Divorce Lab Pro. We will connect you with a pre-selected lawyers or other experts you may need. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children, and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at Divorce Lab Pro. Divorce, mental health, and mental illness for a man. Develop and maintain good communication skills with your partner to reduce the likelihood of marital disputes. Prioritize time together as a couple so that you can reconnect emotionally. Seek professional counseling if marital issues continue unresolved. Spend quality time with your kids. Attend events, talk about their day, and encourage them in activities they enjoy. Take care of yourself by exercising regularly and engaging in healthy habits such as eating well-balanced meals and getting adequate sleep each night. Do not place blame on yourself for your spouse for any difficulties within the marriage. Recognize that these challenges often have multiple contributing factors, which are beyond either person's control. Avoid isolating yourself from friends or family who may be able to provide emotional support during this difficult period in your life. Reach out to religious leaders, counselors who can provide spiritual guidance during this trying time. Statistics regarding divorce rates worldwide. In the United States, approximately 40% of marriages end in divorce. UCLA. In Australia, 30% of all marriages end in divorce. ABS Family Law Statistics. In Canada, 1/3 of all marriages result in divorce. Justice Canada. In England and Wales, statistics show that 42% of first-time couples will get divorced before celebrating their 15th wedding anniversary. Office for National Statistics. Advice regarding divorce, mental health, and mental illness for a man. Stay focused on resolving any underlying issues within your relationship instead of heading straight towards filing documents for a divorce petition. Take some time apart if necessary, but avoid making rash decisions while emotions are high. Speak openly with close family members or friends about what you are going through. Having an outside perspective can help bring clarity into difficult situations when deciding how best to proceed forward with regards to marriage troubles, concerns one is facing within their own relationships. Remain mindful that children need love from both parents no matter what situation arises between them. Put aside personal differences when interacting around loved ones, even if it means taking extra effort. Allow yourself enough time away from stressful situations so you can relax mentally and physically. Find ways to cope, such as yoga classes or art therapy sessions. If feeling overwhelmed by stress levels resulting from potential separation proceedings, consider seeking professional mental health advice from qualified therapists, counselors who specialize specifically in helping individuals manage emotions associated with divorces, breakups, etc. No matter how long you've been married, getting divorced isn't easy on anyone involved, especially not on men who often bear much of the emotional weight throughout the process. But taking proactive steps towards self-care, such as confiding in trusted people around him, practicing mindfulness exercises, maintaining physical activity levels, engaging in meaningful activities outside home, etc., can prevent further worsening of his mental health state due to his current situation. Remember, there always hope. The grass greener mentality won't do anything positive here. Investing wisely now would pay off later positively. Join our free course to learn how to navigate the divorce process. Learn about the negative impact of divorce on you, children, and family, and how to protect your rights. Pre-selected experts are available to help men through this difficult time. Get it free now at Divorce Lab.